Final cold startup with this exhaust. What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the very first episode of what I am basically going to call the build series. I originally was going to call it the Ultimate Mini, but I'll think of a name for it. But this is going to be episode 1. Today we are going up to Mini of Loveland to install a new exhaust, the John Cooper Works Pro Tuning Exhaust. I am so beyond excited, so let's get on the road and do that. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mini of Loveland. So we decided to stop off at Co's BMW for a sec. The Mini is going to be done at late in the afternoon. There it goes. But we're stopping off here at Co's because my mom wants to look at a wagon.
It has the saddle brown interior I've always wanted.
This white wagon has definitely been modified because it's on HREs with Michelin Pilot Sport 3S's or 3 Pluses. See, I really like this, the old M3. That looks nice. So we took a quick stop off because we have like 6 hours at Adams Polishes. C8 Corvette, first one I've seen in person. Touch of gold McLaren 720S. Didn't expect to see either of those today. That looks really good. And in person, the C8 looks dang good. Like, I'm kind of taking back some of the things I've said about it. Never mind, they're not open. We thought they were. All right, we just finished up shooting a real estate photo listing for my mom, and so now we're gonna go kill a little bit more time. There it is. Oh, you can see the different tips on it. I went with the chrome tips because I have a bunch of chrome on my car right now. Once I go with some more blacked up stuff and some carbon fiber, I'll get changed over to the carbon fiber tips probably. Let's go in and, oh man, this mask is like muffling my voice. Let's go in and grab the keys. Okay, I'm gonna put this stuff in my car real quick and then, oh, I'm so excited to hear this thing. It looks so good. So there's the John Cooper Works. There's the button. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Here we go, cold start. Oh my goodness. It sounds so much louder. That is the best thing I've ever installed. I'm going to grab my GoPro and stuff out of my mom's car. Oh, that hurts.
Ouch.
Ouch. All right, I've switched to my GoPro so I can just mount this up. That right there is the most important button in the car. That's the button that controls everything. Okay, I have to reset my seat, a couple of my settings because I changed some stuff. Okay, seat. That's right. On startup, instead of going to 1.5 or 2.5 like it normally does, it goes all the way to 3. That's new. Y'all ready for the most important button? There it is. Okay, let's let this thing warm up and then I'm gonna close up the exhaust for now so I don't spoil myself. As soon as it's warm, we're going. I'm gonna mess around a little bit over here. Normally I'm just gonna take the highway, but oh, you can feel the power already. It's got, so this kit comes with a slight horsepower boost, not a lot, but just a slight horsepower boost, and you can feel the difference already. I think 20 horsepower and 14 pound-feet of torque. Come on, engine warm up. As soon as the engine warms up, is warned by valves opening up. It sounds just a little bit rumblier, is the best way I can describe it, with the valve closed. It's a lot better noise. Oh yes, feel the power. It's much better. All right, sport mode. Exhaust opened up. Oh my goodness. Those pops. Oh. Let's close up the exhaust real quick. You can barely hear the pops with the valve closed. Yeah, you can barely hear it with the valve closed. Open it up again. That is the best! Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes! And then in 6th gear, it is nice and reserved. Like, I was worried it would be droning. It's not bad in 6th. There's a little bit of a drone, but it's... Oh my goodness. I'm like a child. It does the lift off too, the dual clutch thing I was telling about in that earlier video. I sound like I'm shooting fireballs out here. Ooh, Camaro. Okay, let's go home. I want to show this off now. I'm gonna get in so much trouble with this exhaust. Cop. Ooh, it sounds good down low. It's echoing off the building next to me. Okay. I'm gonna roll up the windows after a highway pole. Man, that's a lot of traffic. This plus the cold air intake that I'm getting. Oh my goodness. When you put it in 6, we're on the highway. A couple pops, but like, it's nice and reserved. I'm gonna close up the valve now. Nothing. Valve closed and there's nothing. It is perfect. I love valve exhausts. Okay, I'm pulling into my neighborhood and it's echoing off the houses. Oh my goodness. gracious. Oh, that's awesome. I love that. That's awesome. I'm home. Okay, lots more to come on this exhaust soon. It's so awesome. I showed it to my parents and they love it. But I'm just blown away by how loud it actually is. Like, I didn't expect it to be that loud. So my question for you guys today is, do you have an aftermarket exhaust on your car? But until next time, goodbye.